Assalamu alaikum grade 3. How are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates, your teachers, but no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today we are going to study English grammar. Fine, but first come to the date. Today the date is 15/12/2020 and the day is Tuesday. Okay, grade 3. Today our main focus will be on the topic similes. Have you people heard the name of similes? SIMILES, similes. Some people would say maybe yes, and most of the people would say no maybe. Fine, this is so simple. Actually, simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things in an interesting way by using like and as. ठीक है ना? When in any sentence you see it's like the words like and as, किसी भी sentence में अगर आप like और as को देखेंगे then that is the recognition of a simile. ठीक है? And remember one thing, two opposite things are being compared. Maybe one girl is being compared with a sun due to the brightness, due to the smile of hers. ठीक है ना? Like two different things are being compared. I'll give you the examples also. Before giving you the examples, let me explain you more about similes. Similes don't have any meaning or don't make any sense without an adjective. Always remember, when there is a simile, you will find a word like as and like, and adjective is also there. And what is an adjective? Adjective is an like anything that describes a noun by telling the quality of the noun. Now you can see this picture here. This is a picture of a boy and this is the picture of honey. Very different things are here. Boy के साथ girl नहीं है, man नहीं है, mother, father नहीं है. One is a living thing and one is a non-living thing. ठीक है ना? Honey is a non-living thing. So two different things are being compared. As I told you over here, a figure of speech that compares two different things in an interesting way. ठीक है ना? A boy and honey, they are totally different thing. Like if you want to compare this boy with this honey, how will you say? My brother is as sweet as honey. ठीक है? Due to the sweetness, gentleness of this boy, बहुत अच्छे मिजाज का है. So one person like we can compare this boy with honey. ठीक है? Two different things are being compared in a very nice way. ठीक है? And see, as word is being used here. To your workbook, fine. Take out page number. See, take out page number 54. Let's come to this exercise. Fine, you can see here similes is written. Write down the date 15/12/2020, classwork, and the day is Tuesday. Fine, you can see this question here. Match the following and use them in sentences of your own. There are the list of words, ठीक है, in column A and B. You have to match accordingly. ठीक है, as is written in between. ठीक है. So when you join these two columns, it will make a proper simile. As dark, number 2 is as good, third one is as sweet, fourth one is as stupid, and the last one is as dry. Now as dark किसके साथ मैच करता है? As dark as gold. ठीक है? नहीं, कोई भी चीज़ गोल्ड की तरह तो डार्क नहीं हो सकती. Gold is brighter. As dark as a bone? No. As dark as night? Yes. Anything can be dark as night, so you have to match this. And I told you class, in similes always adjective is used. So dark is an adjective here, good, sweet, stupid and dry. These all are adjectives. ठीक है? As good as gold, as sweet as honey. Honey sweet होता है ना? As stupid as a donkey. Donkey को stupid समझा जाता है ना? ठीक है? As dry as a bone. Bone की तरह dry, hard. Okay, class 3 question demand was that to match column A and B, and then what you have to do and use them in sentences of your own. Now when they make the whole simile like as dark as night, so what you people have to do, you have to make the sentences. I have made my own sentences. You can take the help of my sentences and then you can make your own sentences. For example, first sentence was as dark as night, so you have to make the sentence of this word, this simile. The inside of the palace is as dark as night. यानी पैलेस कहते हैं महल को. अंदर का हिस्सा पैलेस का कैसा था? as dark as night. बिल्कुल ऐसा था जैसे कि अंधेरा हो रहा है, रात की तरह. ठीक है? Now the second one was as good as gold. ठीक है? as good as gold. Now you have to make the sentence of this. यानी कोई भी चीज़ गोल्ड की तरह अच्छी होना, यानी very valuable होना. The pebbles are as good as gold. पेबल्स आर एक्चुअली द शाइनिंग स्टोन्स, ठीक है ना, जो सीपियाँ होती हैं. यू कैन राइट हेयर शेल्स ऑल्सो, SHELLS शेल्स, ठीक है. पेबल्स आर शेल्स, द ब्राइटनिंग स्टोन्स, जो कि समंदर के पास पाए जाते हैं, ठीक है. द पेबल्स आर एज गुड एज गोल्ड, जो पत्थर थे वो कैसे थे, गोल्ड की तरह थे. दे वर ब्राइट ऑल्सो, यू कैन से. नाउ थर्ड वन इज as sweet as honey. So you have to make the sentence of this word, this simile. My mother is as sweet as honey, ठीक है ना, मेरी मामा जो है honey की तरह sweet है. Now you can write down anything else, any sentence of your own. Now the fourth one was as stupid as a donkey, donkey की तरह stupid होना. Now Muin is as stupid as a donkey, maybe due to his tricks, whatever he does, like due to his actions, he is as stupid as a donkey. So you can write any sentence of your own, ठीक है. Now the last one is as dry as a bone, यानी bone की तरह dry होना, hard होना. The word is as dry as a bone, ठीक है ना. word जो लकड़ी है बिल्कुल bone की तरह dry है, ठीक है. Okay, grade 4. Come to the next page. Write down the date again. 15/12/2020 classwork, and the day is Tuesday. The page number is 55. Fine. What you people have to do now? See, match A and B. Again, read the columns. ठीक है. Now you people have to match them accordingly. The lake has no water in it. ठीक है, समंदर में, लेक में यानी झील में पानी नहीं है. नाउ एज गुड एज गोल्ड कैसी होगी, वो गोल्ड की तरह होगी. एज ओल्ड एज द हिल्स, ठीक है ना, पुरानी होगी हिल्स की तरह. एज ड्राई एज अ बोन, बोन की तरह होगी. एज वाइट एज स्नो और एज हैवी एज लेड, ठीक है. सो वाटर नहीं है, सो दैट इट, सो यू हैव टू मैच विद दिस. एज ड्राई एज अ बोन, सो द लेक इज एज ड्राई एज अ बोन, ठीक है. यू हैव टू यूज द करेक्ट सिमिली अकॉर्डिंग टू the sentence, ठीक है. In column A there are a list of similes here, and in column B there are a number of similes over here, and in column A the sentence is here. So you have to match the sentence according to the correct simile. Mona is always kind and polite, तो क्या होगी, as good as gold, ठीक है. Mustafa's hair is grey, grey हैं यानी white हैं. For white hair we always say grey. So as white as snow, ठीक है. The box was lifted by 5 strong men, ठीक है. like box को उठाया गया था 5 strong men के जरिए. So as heavy as lead, तो वो box को क्या कहा जा रहा है, as heavy as lead. lead कहते हैं piece of iron को, बड़े से, ठीक है. and heavy means जो बहुत ही भारी होता है, ठीक है. now Nadir's grandfather is very old, बहुत बूढ़े हो गए हैं. so as old as the hills, so because of the grandfather we will use the simile old here. Now let's come to the next exercise. See, write down, this will be your homework. Write down HW here. Think your own similes. My brother is as cool as. Now you have to write down. Here you people have to write down the nouns. ठीक है ना. Simile is written here, so you have to write down the correct noun according to the simile. Cool है. Adjective को देख के आपको noun लिखना होगा, ठीक है. My brother is as cool as. आइस हो सकता है, ठीक है ना, आइस की तरह ठंडा है. माई ब्रदर इज एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज. स्ट्रॉन्ग क्या होता है, कोई भी नाउन सोच के लिखे. इट कैन बी अ लायन और एनीथिंग. माई ब्रदर इज एज नाइस एज, किसकी तरह अच्छा है, यू कैन राइट हियर. माई ब्रदर इज एज स्वीट एज. आई गेव वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हनी. नाउ यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग, ठीक है ना, जो कि स्वीट होती है. दैट विल बी अ नाउन. माई ब्रदर इज एज बिजी एज. बिजी इज एन एडजेक्टिव, ठीक है. एडजेक्टिव देख के आपको नाउन लिखना है. इट कैन बी बीज ऑल्सो, बिकॉज बीज आर ऑलवेज बिजी. और यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग एल्स. बीज आर द लाइक हनी बी जो होती है ना, ठीक है. बट यू कैन राइट डाउन एनी नाउन दैट सूट्स विद दिस एडजेक्टिव, ठीक है. नाउ दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क क्लास ऑन पेज नंबर 55. आई गेस दिस मच वर्क इज इनफ फॉर यू फॉर टुडे, and take a very good care of your health. Till then, Allah Hafiz from my side.